an ex-director of Ripple, has provided a timeline for the first public offering of Ripple and the XRP exchange-traded fund. Welcoming you back to the Cryptocurrency Update channel. In order to provide the cryptocurrency community with a schedule for when they might anticipate an exchange-traded fund, ETF, for XRP and Ripple's initial public offering, IPO, a former director at Ripple has disclosed the timeline. When is the XRP-ETF expected to launch? An XRP spot exchange-traded fund, ETF, and the initial public offering, IPO, of Ripple are the two most anticipated milestones in the XRP community, and Sean McBride, who was previously Ripple's Director of Global Talent Acquisition, has gone to X to announce the dates for these two events. It was McBride's contention that the community will see the coming of a true XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF, either this year or in the year 2025. Nevertheless, he did not provide any details about the elements that would have served as a basis for his timetable. In either 2024 or 2025, an exchange-traded fund, ETF, for XRP will be introduced. You will also witness a Ripple IPO outside the US in 2025. Speculations surrounding a likely launch of an XRP ETF have surfaced over the last several months. They gained popularity after the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs by the US SEC. Notably, exchange-traded funds for Ethereum are in the focus. The justification for XRP arises from its unique regulatory standing in the United States. Yet, no notable asset manager has made measures to develop an XRP ETF in the United States despite repeated appeals. Meanwhile, in a recent interview, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse affirmed the prospect of an XRP ETF coming to reality. Yet, Garlinghouse emphasized caution about assigning a deadline. "I think we will see other ETFs. But when we will see them is impossible to predict," he remarked, citing that it even took a court verdict to get the U.S. securities regulators' assent to Bitcoin spot ETFs. Date for Ripple IPO. Meanwhile, Sean McBride has stated that the community should anticipate Ripple's first public offering around 2025. Interestingly, McBride suggested that Ripple might carry out the IPO outside the United States. As previously reported by the Crypto Basic, Ripple admitted examining international locations for possible listing as a public corporation. However, the corporation has temporarily postponed its IPO preparations as going public is not an imminent priority, particularly considering its considerable cash reserves. Notably, Wall Street financial expert Linda Jones expressed an opinion similar to that of the former Ripple director, stating that a 2025 IPO for Ripple is realistic. Thank you for visiting Crypto Update. Goodbye.